guys, here we are, Little Construction. I'm Riddle. We're going to be doing the tour here at American Eagle Harley. We're doing the renovation here, so let's come on in. Let's take a tour. Enter. Harley-Davidson Incorporated, established in 1903. All right, here we go. We just finished moving the glass offices out on each side here. So we'll be putting new cabinets inside here for the sales towers. All the new offices have been moved out, so they've been extended. We added 2 new offices down here, glass offices. Here in the entryway is where they call it cash wrap. So when you walk into American Eagle Harley, you see the counters where all the girls reach where you're going to pay for all the merchandise, and when you check out, there's new cabinets coming in here on Monday. So we'll take another video so you guys can see how it all turns out. This is a beautiful tile work that's just been done here in the entryway. A brick pattern that matches the existing tile. And so as you walk through here, countertops will be in here. We've got tiles coming in. We've got countertops here at the back. So as we take the tour, we're going to go ahead and keep walking around. So as you guys see up around on top, everything's the drywall starting. Drywall's happening everywhere. We're going to be having big screen TVs up here in the corner on this wall. We got a new coffee bar, which we'll go over there and see what the new coffee bar is over here. Big screen TV is going to be going up over here, right back wall up here. So as we take the tour around here, let's go over here where the coffee bar is going to be. As you see, American Eagle Harley has decided to keep it open while we're doing the renovation. So we are having to be very careful, clean, put plastic everywhere, cleaning every night before we leave so that they can be open in the morning. So over here, as you take a vision, there's going to be a coffee bar counter in this area over here in the corner. Eventually, these 2 windows right here will be gone. This will be blown out, and it will be moved out for phase 2, where there's going to be the used bike center over there. And then you're going to have a speakeasy, nightclub, you got a pavilion for concerts, and you got a restaurant, which is all going to be called the Viewing Garden. So, as we look up here, we got construction going on everywhere, so we're going to take a tour. Let's start up the stairs. As we go up the stairs, this wall and the wall below is going to have accent wood on this wall here. That'll be in the next video. Come up here to the mezzanine area. We have the new wall here. We already got the plumbing and the electrical all installed here. This is going to be the new barber shop, new tattoo shop. It'll be glass all the way around, just like the glass down below. So these, as you see the glass offices here, that's the way the tattoo and the barber shop is going to be right here. So the next video we'll shoot next week, we'll have this all completed. So go around. We got all new paint, all new graphics. We've got brick pattern going on this wall where the TVs are. We've got brick pattern going over there. As you look down here, as you see down here where we've got construction going on, that's going to be the the t-shirt wall. And it's going to have a radius above it, which is going to be a showcase piece. So I can't wait to show you guys that when it's done next week. And then you got the big screen TVs that are going to be up on the wall. So as we run down this way, we got construction going on down here. So on the left here, the audio-visual room is going to have for all the audio-visual, TV, and audio sound. The office is all the offices, the accounting room is being remodeled. The general manager, BT, is getting a brand new office back here. He's getting a bathroom. I'm not going to go back there because all the workers are working right now to get the new bathroom. So everybody's working hard tonight. We've been doing 12 days straight, 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. in the morning. This is day 12. We've been doing it every night. So we're all exhausted, we're gonna take a couple days off, and then come back fresh on Monday. So here we go. This is the break room kitchen. So if you walk in, it used to be just a small break room kitchen. You can see where the tile breaks right here. So there was just a little small sink and then a refrigerator, little cabinet here. But we've opened this wall up, so now the break room is much larger. So we'll be putting some carpet tiles out here. There'll be a big screen TV down here. We're gonna make this kind of a sitting area where people can just kind of lounge and hang out while they're taking a break, while they're here at work. So this will all be in the next couple of weeks. We'll have new cabinets in here, and you guys will be able to see how it transforms as we go down this way. This used to be a conference room. And now this will be a new women's bathroom. So we'll have a handicap toilet over here, regular toilet on this side, and over here we'll have a double sink. So all this cable and big screen TV will be gone. You have new tile on the floor, 4-foot wainscot tile all the way around. Then you have partitions for each toilet, and then we're actually going to do quartz on the countertop over here with sinks. Obviously new faucets, everything will be brand new. So brand new women's bathroom. So as we stroll down, we're going to hang a left. This will all get new flooring, new tile here, this little entryway here. As we come in, this area is a large conference room right now, but we're going to actually cut it in half. So the owner, Willie, is going to get his new office here. So envision a wall down the middle. Willie gets a new office. He comes in his office here. This will be his new office. He'll stroll over here, walk down this area, walk-in closet, a wet bar. He'll walk over down into his master suite bathroom, toilet, sink. Would you wish you had this size shower? So it's going to be a massive shower. So really enjoy it once we get done. So as we come out, this will all get new flooring, new carpet tiles. This will be creating a hallway through here. And as you see, we're busting down 8 inches of concrete to go through this tilt-up wall to make a doorway to go into the large conference room. This area will be a small conference room, and then it'll have a dividing wall between Billy's office and here, and then we'll have a doorway, so a little bit carpet tile, big screen TV, so everybody can have conferences in here. So this door, once I make it bust it down with my foot tomorrow, we'll have a new doorway opening up. Going into the large conference room, this will be closed up. This will be the new large conference room here. So, as you see, we've been working on getting this concrete cut 8 inches thick, but it doesn't take much for me to just kind of make heat on it a little bit and it'll be knocked down on the other side. So, who's your daddy now? So, new wall. This used to be all storage back here. So we divided it up. Dividing wall. Now you have storage on the other side. Large conference room. Big screen TV, projector. Everything gets repainted everywhere. New flooring, new carpet tiles here. Brand new. Everything. New lighting throughout. As we go through this door, this is going to be storage, which you see. It's already here. We're going to put a chain link fence across here with a gate, and this will be all the important paperwork and documents and boxes that'll be behind this gate here. So, and then the rest of this stuff is just be storage. So as we stroll over here, you guys remember there was, or is, excuse me, a roll-up door. And everybody that works here and knows this, they used to bring their forklift, drive it up, lift anything that was a heavy pallet on anything, and then put it here and then bring it in. So, great idea from Willie and BT. This is what they're doing. Stroll over here. Let me move this out of our way, because this is up for safety reasons. We put a 4-foot door in. 4-foot door, we're going to be opening up. You can take a pallet jack out, come out, move around, This will have a new elevator, freight elevator, so that they can take freight down and pull it up and move it down and move it up. And then you have your catwalk or your platform here with your new stairs. You're gonna walk down this way. These are brand new stairs. They went in last week, took 3 days to do this. And everything's tucked away in the corner, so there's gonna be plenty of storage underneath. So we're not competing and blocking anything for the motorcycle. Over to the elevator, will be right here. Put things up, go up. Somebody will be up there, or you can just pick it up if you're by yourself and you can walk it. Much easier than what they were doing before. So, what we're going to do now is we're going to just take a break. We're going to walk over to the other side of the showroom, and we're going to finish up this tour. All right, guys, here we go. Take 2 here. We're going to finish up this tour here as we stand here in front of the t-shirt wall, the old t-shirt wall. So this is how they displayed t-shirts before. And now I'm going to show you what we're building over here behind this old t-shirt wall, which we're not done yet, but wait till you see it. Behind here is going to be the showpiece of this showroom with the big screen TVs above this t-shirt wall with a huge radius soffit. You got lighting coming down, and then there'll be cubbies, t-shirt cubbies with all the t-shirts in it. So come over here what we're doing. So as you see, we started the framing. This is the framing of the wall. So the soffit will come in. As you look down on the ground here, the radius is already laid out. So we've got a flexible track that we have, that we purchased, but we have to methodically measure once, twice, 3 times to make sure this radius is perfect. And then tomorrow, or Monday, we're going to be installing this. So we'll shoot you guys a video of how this whole thing comes together. And then right here inside here will be the cubbies for all the t-shirts. So this is going to be a showpiece. You're going to have the big screen TVs above, and you're going to have this nice, huge t-shirt wall. So we'll show you next week when it's wrapping up. So come on down this way. As you see, with some drywall going on, we got paint going to go on in 2 weeks. Drywall textures going on everywhere. All the new walls that have been going up, so we'll be painting in the next couple of weeks. So the whole showroom's going to get a fresh coat of paint. Wait till you guys see the colors. They're going to be cool. So as we go over here, let's go over to the new parts area. As we stroll around. Oh, look at this beautiful bike as we walk by here. Isn't this gorgeous? Okay, parts. So, old parts counter is still here, but as you guys see, we've got work going on back here. As you stroll through here, this will be the new parts counter where all the employees will be sitting here and on the left-hand side. So parts counter will go all the way back. The shelves will be gone. We've got a new wall going up back here. New wall going up, so there'll be another counter at the back of the parts area, storage, and slot wall for product. So, and scroll over here. This is where the door opens. There'll be a walkway through here. You've got countertop going all the way over. Then you come in. This is Kathy, the parts manager's office. She's getting another window here. This will be all glass windows so she can see down through here to all the parts employees. As you come in, you guys see that there's a new wall going up right here. There's going to be a pocket door here. This pocket door will slide back and forth. But the pocket door is lined up with the new door that we put in the back that we relocated. So here, you come in through here. Sliding this door back and forth here as a pocket. So you can get in. So they'll be able to, all the guys will be able to go back and through this door. Down here, you can see down at the very end, we've closed up the door. As we go inside the shop, you'll see we've closed up the whole door. We've moved this down here. This is going to be the new service counter, which you've got a roll-up door down there. We're going to be relocating to here. So we've opened it up. So you go through. Let's put this bucket in front of here. door doesn't lock on us. Okay, so new rope, small rope, door counter. Rope up down. This door has been closed up, relocated to that point. What we're going to do is taking this countertop and the small roll-up door, that'll be relocated to that opening that's down there. So Parts is getting a whole new remodel, and it's going to be much easier. Instead of them having to walk all the way around here, they can keep everything, all the flow of traffic will be right down through the middle. So that's happening right now. They're getting their new wall put up. They'll be drywalling, tape, bed and texture, and then cabinets will be coming in next, and we'll be painting. They'll have their new parts area. So we're back here in the shop. You guys can see that there's a lot of stuff going on back here with all the shop motorcycles being repaired. But I hear through the grapevine that Willie's going to actually do a new floor down here. So a new epoxy floor throughout the repair shop, which that's going to be classic to see a new brand new floor back here. Maybe they'll do an epoxy with a flake with Harley colors. I have that in my garage, so maybe they'll do that. So, pretty much that's the tour for now. But next week when we do another one of these, you guys are going to see a whole lot of progression. So we're going to sign off, and we love you. Peace. And Willie and BT and all the staff at American Eagle Harley, I appreciate you guys giving me the opportunity to be able to help you out on this major remodel and renovation here at American Eagle Harley. Can't wait to see you guys soon.